Hi, I'm Denise Gustavson, editor for Wide Format Imaging Magazine. This afternoon I have Joe Thompson, president and owner of Berry & Homer, based in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The company was founded in 1898, which is one of the longest running companies in our industry. So Joe, I want to welcome you and thank you for sitting with me this afternoon.
Thank you for having me.
So I guess my first question is, how's business? I mean, have you guys started seeing a turnaround with the economy and everything?
Yeah, about late last year, it really started taking off, and it has continued into this year. So we're very optimistic at this point.
Which is great.
Yes.
Now is it more jobs that you're getting, larger jobs?
It seems to be like larger project jobs.
Okay.
So, which is nice because once they're in, you can continue working on them.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Now, for you as a company, what do you see as some of the greatest challenges that you're facing, and maybe even the industry? You can talk about one or two or all of the above.
The biggest challenge is, not knowing what's going on with the economy.
Yeah.
And I feel it's going the right way and it will continue, but
Mm-hmm.
that fear that it could go the opposite way at any moment, I guess that would be my biggest concern.
Mm-hmm. And that's for you as a business industry too?
I would say also, yeah. We had a lot of consolidation and a lot of companies going out of business, suppliers and competitors. So, for everyone.
Now, you've been walking around the ISA show floor today. What do you think, talking about technology and innovation, are there specific types of technology or things that you think will help to move the industry forward as a whole?
Well, there's the speed of the equipment that's out there now.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's great as that continues to grow, and also the quality of the output, it just gets better and better, which I think helps our industry as a whole.
Yes.
Make it grow even more.
Now, moving a little bit to sustainability, which has been a huge topic in the market over the past few years. But it hasn't been as widely adopted as maybe some originally thought.
Correct.
Now, what do you think are some of the challenges that sustainability faces within some of the PSPs?
I think the cost of the materials,
Okay.
I think is probably one of the biggest, walls that customers have to face. They all want it, but when they have to pay more, they say, well, maybe later. But I see some of the materials that are coming out are more economical, and that might change shortly.
Which is good that the manufacturers are hearing those concerns from the shops. Shops that we want to print, more sustainably. We want to have other options available.
Correct.
But our customers don't want to pay for them.
No,
Yeah.
they don't want to pay anymore. Not especially in the economy. They are all trying to save money and do the right thing. So hopefully they will be able to soon.
It'll certainly give more options for companies moving forward. Now, again, looking forward a little bit, looking for the next 12 to 18 months, what would you say would be some of the biggest opportunities for growth that the industry has?
For the industry, that's a tough question. Again, if the economy continues to grow, I think there'll be more demand, especially in the retail and point of purchase market. People will advertise more, so people will spend more, and that's all good for everybody.
Yeah, very much so. Now, as a business owner, what would you say would be the biggest challenge or issue or concern that keeps you awake at night?
Keeps me awake? I like to sleep, so there isn't too much there. Again, I hate to repeat myself, but the economy, if it keeps going away, it's great. If it goes back the other way, I hate, cutting back staff. That's the worst thing, as my job. So.
And the uncertainty probably is the worst.
Correct, and having people have to lose their jobs is the toughest. So I get that would be my number one.
Joe, thank you again for spending a few minutes with me.
Sure.
I appreciate taking the time.
I appreciate it.
Thanks again.